Hello traders, my name is Gary Wagner and I am the executive producer of the Gold Forecast. I am excited to introduce you to our site and our service. Traders, we have just completed a revamp of our site which will now allow you as a guest to actually view all of the videos as long as they are 14 days or older. This will give you a real opportunity not only to look at our track record and performance record, but to verify it by the actual videos contained on this site. When you first log onto our site, this is the basic screen that you will see. To the left-hand side is our daily report, but before we get to that, I want to show you what is below that, which is our performance or track table. By clicking that particular link, you will first see an overall chart representing the profits that have accumulated since we began the gold forecast at the end of 2009 up till our current day. And then below that is a very, very detailed set of tables broken down by years with a summary of the results. And by clicking any of those years, you can actually look at each buy and each sell. But more than that, by clicking a video button, you will go directly to the members page as it was recorded on the day of the trade. Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 10:15 in Honolulu, 3:15 in New York. It is Wednesday, January 27th, 2016, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. Following statements made by the Federal Reserve as they concluded the most recent FOMC meeting, which happened just a few hours ago, we have a nice rally underway in gold, precious metals, pretty much across the board. First to gold, it is trading about $6, $7 higher on the day. We put out a trade alert. We'll go through that in a second. Yesterday, we sent out an official trade alert stating that now is the time to actually get in. Those traders got in roughly at 11:16. Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 10:45 in Honolulu, 3:45 in New York. It is Monday, President's Day, the 15th day of February 2016, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. Although precious metals markets are closed currently, they certainly had a heck of a move yesterday. Sunday here in Honolulu, as well as the mainland, of course, overseas, trading in Hong Kong, Australia, and London, and boy, did they hammer the metal. I think they hammered it to a overdone degree, but we'll talk about that in a second. Also try to make sense out of the most recent move that we've seen. But first, to our current trade. We are effectively stopped out of our current trade. We did enter the trade in two legs. I'll only cover this last leg. We entered the market on average at 11:17, trailed our stops up consistently. We trailed our stops to just below 12:30, and this was back on Friday or Thursday of last week. And then, of course, as the markets came down, it did knock us out at about 12:29. So in terms of a profit on the trade, it is plus $100 per contract or $10,000 per contract, roughly 100% return. Add to that the first leg that we entered, and it was a tremendous profit indeed, depending on how many contracts you had, but nonetheless about 100% return on that trade. We had some real movement in the market, and we were able to capitalize on it. Now, from there, the real question is, well, what now? So traders, I was putting my best foot forward and showing you an exceptional trade. They're not all winners. The key is to be able to profit consistently year in and year out. And to that end, you're able to look at our track record and judge for yourself. So look through the archives, look at our buys and our sells, look at our track record, and then sign up for the free trial. You have absolutely nothing to lose and a lot to gain. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. Hope to see you soon as a full subscriber at the Gold Forecast. Have a great day. Bye-bye.